Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add the Facebook pixel to your WordPress website. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Pixel Your Site. Look for the plugin called Pixel Your Site, Your Smart Pixel Manager. Click Install Now, then click Activate. Once the plugin is active, you'll see Pixel Your Site in your menu. Click on it to open the settings. Now, open a new browser tab and go to business.facebook.com. Log in to your Business Manager account. From the main menu, click Events Manager. This is where your pixels are stored. If you already have a pixel, copy the pixel ID. If not, click Connect Data Sources, choose Web, then select Facebook Pixel. Follow the steps to create one. After it's created, copy the pixel ID. Now go back to WordPress. In the Pixel Your Site settings, paste your pixel ID into the box that says Facebook Pixel ID. Make sure the checkbox to enable it is turned on. Leave the other settings as they are and click Save Settings. The plugin will now automatically add the Facebook pixel to every page of your site. You don't need to touch any code. That's it. Thanks for watching.